Here's a short review of the BeReal app. BeReal is a photo sharing application that allows users to post one photo per day to show their followers what they are doing in real time. The BeReal app focuses on authenticity and asks users to be real. Because the app allows everyone to post only once a day, users can avoid being on the application for multiple hours throughout the day, making the app stand out from social media platforms currently dominant in this space. So how does the BeReal app work? Users receive a notification at a random time once a day saying it's time to be real. This opens up a 2-minute window for the user to post a picture of what they are currently doing. The purpose of this is to capture an authentic, unfiltered snapshot of a user's life. If users post outside of the 2-minute window, they will be considered late and will not be able to see others' photo until after they've posted. After posting, users will also gain access to the app's Discover section. Users can retake their photos. However, the app will show the number of times a user retakes an image. The app also reveals the number of times the user tried to capture their BeReal moment. While there is not a like option available on the app, users can react to other posts by using their real emoji or an emoji featuring their selfie mimicking an emoji reaction. The app has no filters or edit buttons and does not allow videos to be posted. Followers count is also not displayed on the app and neither are ads. So that is a short review of the BeReal app.